In the heart of central Alabama, where longleaf pines stretch toward the sky and wildflowers blanket the fields, a hidden world thrives, one that few ever see up close. Deep within the hollow of an old oak tree, thousands of honeybees have built a bustling city of wax and honey. These bees are more than just insects. They are engineers, explorers, and guardians of the land. Each colony works in perfect harmony. Foragers traveling miles to gather nectar, builders shaping intricate combs, and a queen at the center laying the eggs that ensure survival. But when a hive makes its home too close to people, conflict can arise. Today, we join a delicate mission: the safe removal and relocation of a wild honeybee hive. It's a chance not only to protect the community, but to preserve the vital role these pollinators play in Alabama's fields, farms, and forests. This is Growing Up Country Outdoors, and this is the story of the bees. Meet the Guthrie family. There's Dad, keeping the fire burning and the wheels turning. Colton, sharp as a tack, quick to figure out what no one else sees. Jaden, bold, fearless, always charging ahead. Jackson, the heart of the crew, friendly and ready for fun. And little Kirsten, boss baby herself, telling it like it is. Danilin, full of energy, talking a mile a minute and always ready for adventure. Mum, the glue that holds it all together, making sure the family always comes first. We're Growing Up Country Outdoors. As the bee catcher approaches, the situation proves far more complex than expected. The colony is massive, and the hive brims with honey. What began as a careful extraction now teeters on the edge of chaos, where one wrong move could turn a delicate rescue into a dangerous disaster. To safely remove such a massive colony, the bee catcher turns to a special tool, a bee vacuum. Designed with gentle suction, it allows thousands of bees to be collected and relocated without harm, while the honeycomb is carefully removed and preserved. the hive is carefully vacuumed and sections of comb are cut away, the colony becomes increasingly defensive. The air thickens with the hum of agitation, and one by one the bystanders retreat. In the end, only the bee catcher remains at the hive, steady and focused, facing the swarm alone. With the hive removed, the search now turns to the queen, because without finding and relocating her, the colony cannot survive.
Got her.
You just let her go and she'll...
Yeah, she'll go down in the bottom. There she goes. Yeah, she's already gone down.
Huh.
At last, the hive is fully removed, the bees safely gathered, and the queens secured. With their leader intact, the colony can be relocated together, ensuring their survival. Rather than being destroyed, these bees are given a new home where they will continue to pollinate, thrive, and play their vital role in the ecosystem. A delicate rescue ends not in loss, but in renewal.